We want to convert 135 degrees from degree measure to radian measure and give the answer in terms of pi. Anytime you want to change units, you want to use a conversion fraction. So we're going to start with the 135, and we're going to multiply that by a fraction that has equivalent things in the numerator and the denominator, one of them in the one type of units and one in the type of units we want to go to. So we've got degrees and radians, so I need something that's true, and we know all the way around a circle is 360 degrees, and that is 2 pi in radians. So I know these are true about it. To get a conversion fraction, then I'm going to put these in a fraction, and the units I want to go to, I want on the top of the fraction, and the units I want to get rid of, I want on the bottom of the fraction. And the reason I wrote it over here instead of multiplying is because this fraction will reduce because these are both even. You could divide both numerator and denominator by 2 and you'd have pi over 180 degrees. So this is the conversion fraction we're going to use, and if we want to go from degree measure to radian measure, we'll use it just like I've got it there. And if we want to go from radian measure to degree measure, we will put the 180 degrees on top and the pi on the bottom. So I'm going to go over here and multiply this by my conversion fraction, pi over 180, since they're both equivalent. They're both halfway around a circle, essentially. Now, because we need the answer in exact form, the degrees, one on top and one on bottom, cancel. That's why we wanted the degrees on the bottom. And then we just want to see if we can reduce the 135 and the 180. I see that they are both multiples of 5, so I'm going to divide 5 into 135. It'll go in there, let's see, 2 times and then 7, and then I still have the pi, and 5 will go into 18 3 times, leaves me 30. 5 will go into 36 times. So this is the answer, except you always want to put it in reduced form, and I can see that there is something in common here. There is a 9 in both. So 9 will go into 27 3 times, and 9 will go into 36 4 times. So my final answer for 135 degrees in radians is 3 pi fourths.